Write a quadratic equation whose roots are x equals 2 plus or minus square root of 5 over 3. Write your answer in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are non-zero, relatively prime integers. Now for these type of problems, when you're trying to create the equation given the roots, I'm going to use this technique for all of these type of problems. Notice what I have written right here. Okay, your x squared term will always be the same, just be x squared. But then the term with the x variable, to find the coefficient, you're going to take the roots and add them together and then make it negative. Okay, and then for the constant term, you're going to multiply the roots together, r1 times r2, and you're going to add those. Okay, so make sure you memorize this little equation, I guess, know how to use this. So define r1 plus r2. This coefficient, I'm going to add the roots together. So the roots we know are 2 plus square root of 5 over 3, and then 2 minus square root of 5 over 3. So when I add those together, and I'm assuming you can do this on your own, work through the details, you're going to get 4 over 3. Okay, so your coefficient's going to be 4 over 3, and make sure you make it a minus. And then r1 times r2, the constant term, and multiply the roots together. So multiply 2 plus square root of 5 over 3 times 2 minus square root of 5 over 3. Once again, I'm going to spare you the details. You can do that on your own. You're going to get 4 minus 5 over 9 equals negative 1 over 9. So that's going to be your constant term, negative 1 over 9. Okay? And make sure you have it in the correct format. So I need to get rid of all the fractions. So to get rid of the fractions, I want to multiply everything by the least common denominator. So your least common denominator would be a 9. So multiply everything by a 9. So I get 9x squared, then minus 12x, then minus 1 equals 0. And that is your final answer.